Imagine a Chrome extension which can fill every form you could possibly imagine on the internet, regardless what type of form it is. Let me just give you an example of an eBay form where you're trying to buy something and then you have an address and you want to just drop it in a box just like that and click one button, and then all of a sudden the entire form is just filled in for you. Now, the data I put into this doesn't have to be organized. It can be messy data. If you notice, we've got some data here which the AI, which is charging this Chrome extension, needs to delete and remove and then organize, and then it will fill this form exactly as needed. Now, if this just isn't enough for you, there are 4 different form fillers available to use. And in this video, this is an instruction manual video. I'm going to show you each and every one and when to use them. Also, if you're overwhelmed by the sheer quantity of options that you have over here, then you'll be surprised to know that you can actually remove some of them for each page. So let's have a look at this one. This is a screenshot one. It actually looks at your screen. Have a look at the usually what it does, it creates like an overlay. It kind of looks at your screen and then it decides what it needs to fill based on what it can see. So that would be this option right here. It takes a screenshot and overlays numbers for AI filling. The AI looks at the fields and fills them. You don't always have to use this one. Only use it if the main function here doesn't work. Because the idea of this Chrome extension is that it can fill any form on the internet with messy data. It means you can dump here any information you want, and it will only take the information that's needed for the form, and then it will fill it in. So to get started, let's start looking at more forms. So we're now on Amazon.com, about to buy something. And here is a form that we want to fill in. So have a look at this name, Chester Chuckles, and the phone number, and the state is Washington. Now, if I click this button right here, Zippy Fill, that does the job perfectly for Amazon.com and eBay. Actually, this one works for most of the forms. Have a look how it's about to change everything on this page. Have a look. Don't want to miss it. There we go. In one flick, it just changed the entire and filled the entire form. No clicking. This is perfect for dropshippers, people who constantly need to fill forms. You can just drop your dummy data, your data here, even if it's messy, meaning even if it has like a order number and all that information all around, it doesn't matter. This form filler will fix it for you with one click on the Zippy Fill function. Now, the great thing about this form filler, it doesn't only work for addresses. Now, I know most people are going to need this for address filling, but there are different times that you need to fill forms which aren't necessarily for addresses, and that's where the more functionality comes in. But before we go to that, let me first show you the address book. Over here, you have the ability to create some preset addresses. So, for example, I want to create a new address, for example, a home address, and then I'll do that I live in Beverly Hills, 90210. Name is John Smith. Address. I'm purposely making mistakes here just so that you can understand how it fixes them. And so there we go. Let's say this is how I've input my data for my home. Now this is unorganized data. I click save. When I click the home button, it will fill in the input here. And then when I click Zippy Fill, watch how it takes messy data and then organizes it nicely into any form of your choice. Watch how this works. Fantastic. As you can see, it's filled in the form Beverly Hills 90210, exactly what I've asked for. This is going to save you tons of time. Now, let's move on to the next function, which is the AI content generator. Now, this can be used over here. If you click this icon over here, this can be used to create information if you don't have the information you need. For example, but this is not so appropriate for address filling, but you can use this to fill like forms and things that you need to fill, like write me a blog post about eating healthier. So what it will do, actually, it will write the blog post. Let me go back to the AI generator. Paste that there, click generate. It's going to write me a blog post about eating healthier. Now, if I was on a page which required that type of information, a title, a description, tags, if you were writing a blog or whatever it is, you could have the AI do it here and then fill in the content for your page. So now that the content's ready, it should, okay, the reason why it's not done a good job is because this page here is an address. And so it's really not going to work properly. But if I went to a different page, for example, if I was on a Shopify store and I wanted to fill this form here, so I could write something like, my product is a nice blue t-shirt, write a description, product name and everything. And when I click generate, it will actually generate the information that's for this specific page. That's why it didn't work before. You have to be on the right page. So as you can see, it's created the title, category, even the pricing, the tags, and the description. Now when I click the Zippy Fill button, what you're about to see is magic, because this AI Chrome extension is going to fill literally any form on the internet, including a Shopify product. Yes, you heard it right. It will fill a Shopify product. Have a look at this, what you're seeing with your eyes right now. And you can see down here, if I scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see that it's actually filled in the tags down here. I'm just going to show you now. It's filled in the tags. It's filled in the pricing, all the pricing, including the profits. It's actually filled in as well. And it's added a lot of category meta fields. Basically, it's created even everything, basically. It's done everything for me. And all I did was insert some messy data into here or create it using AI over here. Now you can see how powerful this is. It's saving you time when you're actually doing things properly. Now, if you put structured information in this box, it's obviously going to do a better job. Do you know what I mean? Once you're in this place here, if you put the information here, like let's say your product name was exactly is t-shirt blue nice, yeah, if that's exactly the product name and you click zip fill, obviously it's going to fill in it properly. You see that? It's filled it properly. But it can actually do things how you want it to. That's what's amazing about this AI form filler. Now, it has multiple ways of reading the form. If I refresh this page for a second, I'll show you that it can actually look at the page instead of actually working as it did up till now. What we could do here is click on the extension again and then do name of the product is Apple. Yeah, we're going to call the product Apple. If we click on the screenshot button, it's going to literally look at the page, and it's find number one, and it will place the word Apple inside the title field based on the image it just saw. So as you can see, it just failed, which is fine because we just tried the screenshot tool. We can use the Zippy Fill tool. That almost always works, this one. As you can see, it worked over here and it worked over here. So you never have to worry. If you see it works better with different form fillers, you can use different form fillers. And if one of them works best, all you need to do is choose it as your favorite by clicking the star button here. And for this specific page, or for all Shopify links, if you just remove, you know what I mean, the extension, just leave it as the home page, make sure it always uses the standard fill. And the standard fill is actually this one here. So as you can see, it's shrunk the Chrome extension. That way, whenever you type name of product is pear, for example, click Zippy Fill, and it's basically going to change that here, and you don't have to see all those buttons. You can just kind of customize, as it's changed the category to fruit down here. Have a quick look over here. Fantastic. So this you can use to create rules for different websites, and it's very simple to use. So we've looked at the address book, we've looked at the magic wand to create content, we've looked at the star button to choose which icons are going to be available for which page, and all that's left to do now is to look at the Amazon FBA form filler. So as you can see, there's a button over here that says Amazon FBA. Now this one was made especially for Amazon FBA, and the reason why is because there's no form filler in the world that can literally do this, and work. So let me just show you how it works. You click the Amazon FBA button, and then it will of course do the same thing. It starts filling in the form, and this is the part which is magic. It chooses a state for you, the state of the one that you've put in here, and it fills in the form and it's ready to send. You can then send your products, which is fantastic, because if you ever need to fill this Amazon form, you know how long it can take. It takes a while, and if you can have this automated for you, then there's no reason why you shouldn't use this tool to save yourself some time. It can literally save you on time filling forms, because instead of looking for the data within the data that you need and pulling it out, it will do that for you. Just paste in messy data. By messy data, I've explained this before, it means you can have name Daniel, and then it will literally remove the word name and it will just take out the word Daniel, what you need from the text. So it's doing all the heavy lifting for you. This Chrome extension is not yet available to the public because it's being reviewed by Google. If you want it, you need to leave a comment in the description saying, I'm ready to get it. Now, it's free for 3 days, and after that, it's a couple of dollars a month. You can buy a lifetime. Right now, we're offering it for lifetime. So you can actually get that while you still can, and that will save you money on the long run. Thank you for watching. This was Zippy Phil. Bye for now.